Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz and I am your teacher Rehnaz. So today we are going to do a chapter named Faslon Ka Tyohar. Faslon means, Fasl means crop and Tyohar means festival. So as the name says, it's a festival of crops. It's a harvesting festival, right? So in India, in different states celebrate this festival in a different way. They are celebrated with different names like Makar Shankranti, Onam, Pongal, Bihu, Lohri. So different parts, like the different states celebrates it in a different way. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to see all the different ways of how the different states celebrates it. Okay. So it's a little, the words used it's a little complicated. Don't worry, I'll make it easy for you by translating. Okay. So come, let's start with the chapter.
The name of the chapter is Faslon Ke Tyohar. Fasl means crops and Tyohar means festival. So it's a festival of crops, or you can even say it's a harvesting festival of India, and how the different states in India celebrates this festival. It's known with different names in different states. Okay, so let's learn about this festival. सारा दिन बोरसी के आगे बैठकर हाथ तापते हुए गुजर जाता है. सारा दिन, every day, the whole day. Borsi ke aage. Borsi is a small pot. It's a small pot made with mud, and in which you light up the fire. Okay, so it's usually it acts like a campfire. के आगे बैठकर हाथ तापते हुए. बैठकर means to, आगे is in front of, बैठकर sit down, हाथ is hands, तापते हुए, that means you rub your hands to make it feel hot, right? गुजर जाता है, it's like it just passes away, or you spend the whole day sitting in front of this borsi or the campfire. But in campfire we use wood. Over here it's an earthen pot which is used to just put fire and burn it. So Baitkar is, so the whole day is spent in front of this and you're like rubbing your hands and making it feel warm. कहाँ तो खिचड़ी के समय धूप में गर्माहट की शुरुआत होनी चाहिए, और यहाँ हम सूरज के इंतजार में आस लगाए बैठे हुए हैं. Kahan to khichdi. See over here, this scenario is taking place in Bihar. Okay, and there we call it as the harvesting festival is called as khichdi. So they're saying like it's a gathering, it's a family, and people in the family are saying kahan to khichdi ke samay, like during the month, during the time of khichdi or the festival of khichdi, uh, time. Okay, samay is time. धूप में गर्माहट की शुरुआत होनी चाहिए. धूप में, that is in the, धूप is sunlight, गर्माहट, that is a heat, or you feel hot during the, when it shines, when the sun shines. शुरुआत means start, होनी चाहिए. So that means during the month, during the time when this festival falls, during this khichdi festival, it's usually hot. Okay, the sun is like burning hot during that time. और यहाँ हम सूरज के इंतजार में, यहाँ means here, हम is we, सूरज के इंतजार, सूरज is sun, इंतजार is wait, में आस लगाए बैठे हुए हैं. That means we are craving. Okay, ours is craving. We are craving for the sun to come out actually. Usually during this time, during the khichdi time, the sun is very hot. But nowadays, now at present, we are actually waiting for the sun to come out. पूरे 10 दिन हो गए सूरज लापता है. पूरे means full. 10 दिन is 10 days. हो गए is over. Suraj, the sun, lapata hai. Lapata means it's like missing. It's not to be seen. So the whole full 10 days is over and the sun is not to be seen. आज सुबह तो रजाई से निकलने की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी. आज सुबह, today morning, रजाई is a blanket, से निकलने की हिम्मत, निकलने means to get out, हिम्मत is the courage, नहीं हो रही थी, it was not possible. So he's saying that today morning it was not possible for me. I didn't have the courage to come out of the blanket. बाहर देखने से तो समय का अंदाजा बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा. बाहर is outside, देखने से by looking out. समय का अंदाजा, समय is time, अंदाजा is like a rough figure of like what the time of the day is. बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा. बिल्कुल नहीं means we could not find out what time of the day it is when you look outside. लेकिन घर में हो रही चहल पहल अब पता चल रही है. लेकिन is but, घर में हो रही like what is happening in the house. Chahal pahal means the disturbances or the slight noises, like when you talk or when you're doing some work or when the kids are troubling you at home. So all those noises take place during the day, right? अब पता चल रही है. So he could not make out the what part of the day it is when he was looking outside. But when the sound of the children were heard and there were lots of disturbance, he could make out what time of the day it is. रह रहकर कानों में कभी चांपाकाल के चलने और पानी से गिरने की आवाज तो कभी कभी किसी के हांक लगाने की आवाज आ रही थी. Rah rahkar means like not continuous but without any continuance. कानों में भी in the ears. में कभी sometimes means rah rahkar means sometimes in the years. We could hear कभी चांपाकाल के चलने और चांपाकाल is the hand pump, okay, where you draw water, like when you push the pump, the water comes out from a knob. So चांपाकाल is a hand pump के चलने और पानी के गिरने की आवाज तो कभी. So he's saying that sometimes I could hear the water flowing out from the water well or the hand pump, and कभी किसी के हांक लगाने की आवाज. Someone is shouting. Okay, आवाज is sound, so he could hear someone shouting. जा भाग के देख केरा के पत्ते आयल कीना. It means भाग means run, देख means see. Kera ke patte is banana. Kera is banana tree and patta is leaf. Ail kina, has it come or no? So go run and see if the leaves on the banana tree has come or no. आज ई लोग के उठे के नाई के खा बोल जल्दी तैयार होकस. आज ई log. So this is the local language, okay, what they're speaking. So आज today ई log, these people के उठे के नाई के कहा. That means will these people wake up or no? So someone is shouting, okay. बोल जल्दी तैयार होकस. बोल means tell, जल्दी means fast. तैयार होकस to get ready. So tell them to get ready fast. So ask them to wake up and ask them to get ready fast. Because it's the festival time, okay. अब तो उठने में ही भलाई है. अब तो means now, उठने में to wake up, भलाई is goodness. So the boy is thinking, okay, it's better that I wake up now. नहा धोकर हम सभी एक कमरे में इकट्ठा हुए. नहा धोकर means like after taking bath. हम सभी, we all, एक कमरे, कमरा is a room. एक कमरा is one room में इकट्ठा हुए, we gathered in one room. दादा और चाचा ने क्या सफेद चकाचक मांड लगी धोती और कुर्ता पहना हुआ है. So dada means grandfather, okay. Father is dada और चाचा is uncle. ने क्या सफेद, सफेद is white, चकाचक means shining or bright. मांड लगी धोती, धोती means the cloth which is worn around, right? Elder people, they wear you say lungi and all, right? Lungi and dhoti. Or kurta is the shirt पहना हुआ था. So these they have mand means border. Okay, so these people, the chacha and dada, they have worn white. Chakachak means very shining, very bright. Mand means with a good border, shining border. Dhoti, the cloth, and or the lungi, and kurta. They have worn a shirt also. खिचड़ी में आइसन ठाड़ ही सॉरी खिचड़ी में आइसन ठाड़ हम पहले कब्बो ना देख नी सारा देह कनकना दे था. So khichdi mein aisen thad. That means khichdi is the month, the festival time. Okay, during this festival time, aisen thad means this kind of cold. Okay, this kind of chillness we have never experienced. Hum pehle kabbo, never ever before. Pehle means before. कबो न देख नी सारा देह means the whole body. Kankana de tha. So we are shivering. Kankana is we are shivering. So what he's trying to say, Papa ne kaha. So father is saying khichdi mein. So during the time of khichdi or during this time of this festival, this kind of chillness, or we are not. It was not so cold. We have not seen this kind of weather during the khichdi festival, that no whole body is shivering. Now we are feeling so cold that our whole body is shivering. So this Papa is saying, शायद हम पहले कब सॉरी शायद आज धोती में उन्हें ठंड कुछ ज्यादा लग रही है. शायद मीन्स आई थिंक और फील. आज धोती में today in this dhoti, because he's wearing the dhoti, उन्हें ठंड उन्हें is for him, ठंड is cold, कुछ ज्यादा little more लग रही है, he's feeling more. So he's saying that the boy is saying like he's feeling cold, maybe he's feeling even more cold because he's wearing the dhoti. सामने मछिया पर खादी की सफेद साड़ी पहने हुए दादी बैठी थी. सामने is in front of, मछिया is a cot, पर खादी की तरफ, खादी की सफेद, khadi is the cloth. Okay, khadi cloth. सफेद is white, साड़ी is sari, पहने हुए दादी बैठी थी. दादी is grandmother. So this grandmother was wearing a white color khadi sari, and she was sitting on the cot. आज दादी ने अपने बाल धोए हैं. आज today दादी ने अपने बाल her hair धोए हैं. She's washed her hair. झक सफेद सेमल की रुई जैसे हल्के फुल्के बाल. झक सफेद means bright white. सेमल की रुई is like silk. जैसे हल्के फुल्के like very light. बाल is hair. So her hair is like silk. Okay, and it's white in color and it's very light. गौर से देखने पर भी एक काला बाल नजर नहीं आता. गौर से means if you look very carefully, एक काला बाल, one black hair नजर नहीं आता. You can't find. Okay, even if you look very carefully, you can't find even one black hair. बिल्कुल धुली धुली सी लग रही है दादी. Dhuli dhuli means like fresh, and she's like washed, like when since she has taken bath and come, she looks very fresh, and her hair and everything is like very white and bright. सी लग रही है दादी. So दादी is looking very fresh and bright. उनके सामने केले के कुछ पत्ते कतार में रखे हैं. उनके सामने in front of her, केले के कुछ पत्ते, केले is banana, पत्ते is leaf, कतार में रखे हैं. was kept in a line. जिस पर on which तिल, sesame seeds, मीठा is good, jaggery, चावल is rice, आदि के छोटे छोटे, आदि is etc, के छोटे छोटे small ढेर पड़े हुए थे. like चावल की आदि छोटे छोटे ढेर means like like a small mountain. It was put. It was just a what do you say? Like a group of grains. The rice was put together. हमें बारी बारी से उन सब चीजों को छूने और प्रणाम करने के लिए कहा गया था. हमें like to us, it was referred to us, okay, like the rest of the people over there. Bari bari means one by one, like you have to take your own turn and do it. Say उन सभी चीजों means all the things which were kept there, like what is mentioned here, no, til, good, chawal and all that. So उन सभी चीजों को छूना is to touch, और प्रणाम करना, प्रणाम is to pray or bow down, के लिए कहा गया, like we were asked to, one by one you have to touch that and you have to make a prayer. जब सबने ऐसा कर लिया तो उन सभी चीजों को एक जगह इकट्ठा करके दान दे दिया. So जब सबने means everyone, ऐसा कर लिया means they have done this, like how it was told, like they have to touch that one by one and they have to pray. When everyone have done that, तो उन सब चीजों को, सभी चीजों, that means all those things. So after they have done that, all those things को एक जगह, एक means one, जगह is place, इकट्ठा gathered, okay, करके दान दे दिया. It was given off, like it was given to someone. Okay, donated. दान दे दिया means donated or you have given it to someone. आज तो अपी दीदिया बुरी फंसी. आज तो अपी दीदिया means sister. बुरी फंसी, she got caught, trapped very badly. फंसी means trapped. उन्हें ना तो चूड़ा दही पसंद है और ना ही खिचड़ी. Okay, उन्हें, that means it's referring to his sister. दीदिया is sister. ने तो चूड़ा दही ही पसंद है. चूड़ा is some food, okay, and dahi is curd, पसंद है. ना तो चूड़ा दही भी पसंद है और ना ही खिचड़ी. So she doesn't like चूड़ा दही and she doesn't like खिचड़ी also. पर आज तो फरमाइशी नाश्ता नहीं चलेगा. but आज तो today, फरमाइशी नाश्ता is, the नाश्ता is breakfast. The breakfast what is being asked on demand. Okay, nahi chalega, does not work, will not work. So he's saying that my sister does not like churi dahi and khichdi also. Like usually, like when kids does not like anything, their mother they usually make something else what they like and they give, isn't it? So over here, her brother is actually teasing her, saying that she does not like curd and she does not like khichdi also, but today she can't ask anything on demand. Okay, like whatever is there she has to eat. उन्हें दोनों ही चीजें खानी पड़ेंगी. उन्हें दोनों ही चीजें means both the things, okay, both the food. खानी पड़ेगी means she has to eat. आज खिचड़ी जो है, today is the festival. Today is a festival, so she has to eat whatever is there. खिचड़ी खाने के बाद सभी ने गया से आए तिल, गुड़ और चीनी के तिलकुट को बड़े छाव से खाया. खिचड़ी खाने के बाद means after eating खिचड़ी, सभी ने गया से आए til is sesame seeds, okay, gaya is a place. Gud और चीनी, good is jaggery, चीनी is sugar, के तिलकुट को बड़े छाव से खाया. तिलकुट is a sweet, को बड़े छाव means like छाव से खाया. They ate it with they loved to eat that, okay, the sweet after eating the khichdi. खाते खाते मैं सोच रही थी कि कितनी अलग है ना यह खिचड़ी जो अभी हम मना रहे हैं. So खाते खाते, like while eating, मैं सोच रही थी. सोच is think, मैं is I, सोच is think. रही थी कि कितनी अलग है. How different. अलग is different. यह खिचड़ी, this खिचड़ी जो अभी हम मना रहे हैं. जो अभी means now. हम मना रहे हैं means which we are celebrating now. So while eating, she just thought, okay, or she just went back to her memories, and she was thinking how different this khichdi is. Like what we are celebrating now is so different. स्कूल में हम जो खिचड़ी मनाते थे उसकी अलग ही मस्ती हुआ करती थी. स्कूल में हम, when she was in school, जो खिचड़ी मनाते थे, the खिचड़ी what they used to celebrate like when they were in school, उसकी अलग ही मस्ती हुआ करती थी. अलग ही मस्ती means a different fun. So this khichdi what they used to celebrate when she was in school, it had a different fun. Okay, they celebrated it in a different way. Chutti ka din. So it was this festival used to come during their holidays. Okay, chutti is holidays. नाव में बैठकर गंगा नदी की सैर. So it was during the holidays, and नाव is boat. में बैठकर, when they used to sit in the boat, and गंगा नदी की सैर, they used to take a tour around the गंगा नदी, गंगा river. फिर टापू पर भालू में दौड़ते हुए पतंग उड़ाना. टापू is beach, भालू is the sand. में दौड़ते हुए, दौड़ते हुए पतंग उड़ाना. Patang is kite, udana is to fly. So she's thinking, okay, like it was during the holidays, and they used to sit in the boat, and they used to go around the Ganga river, and also they used to run around in the sand in the beach, and they used to fly kites. उड़ाना या उड़ाने की कोशिश करना. उड़ाने की कोशिश is try. उड़ाना is fly. So they used to either fly the kite or they used to try flying the kite. कितना मजा आता था. ना मजा आता था means मजा is fun. How fun it was, okay, during the time when they were in school. इधर हम पतंग उड़ाते थे और वहीं थोड़ी दूर पर गुरुजी, विमला, दिधा, आनंद जी, झिलमिट भैया सब मिलकर ईंट से बने चूल्हे पर बड़े बड़े कड़ाहों में खिचड़ी बनाते थे. So she is thinking, इधर हम पतंग उड़ाते थे. So they used to fly the kites. पतंग उड़ाना is fly the kites. और वहीं थोड़ी दूर पर, वहीं means there only, थोड़ी is little, दूर पर means little far away. And she's mentioning the name of the people who used to be with them. Okay, Guruji, Vimla, Dinna, Anand ji, Jhilmit Bhaiya, सब मिलकर means everyone used to get together. ईंट से बने चूल्हे, ईंट is bricks, से बने चूल्हा is stove, so the stove which is made up of bricks. पर बड़े बड़े big कड़ाहों is कड़ाई, or the long big vessel to make something. Okay, में खिचड़ी बनाते थे. So they used to make खिचड़ी in this big vessel. Okay. हम भी बीच बीच में अपनी पतंगों को सुस्ताने का मौका देते हुए मटर और प्याज छिलने बैठ जाते. हम भी, we also, so the kids are telling, okay, we also, बीच in the middle, when they were flying the kite, so in between that, में अपनी पतंगों को, our kites को सुस्ताने का मौका देते. सुस्ताना means like after it's flying too high, you actually let it go, like let it rest for some time. I mean, you just leave it for some time and it slowly calms down. So पतंग को सुस्ताने का मौका देते. So they used to give a chance for the kite to take rest. हुए मटर और प्याज छिलने बैठ जाते. मटर is peas और प्याज is onions. छिलने बैठ जाते. They used to sit. So whenever they used to get time, they used to, like, in between their play also, when they're playing also, they used to come and they used to help their parents and these uncles and everyone whose names is mentioned over here to peel the onions and also clean the peas, green peas. वैसी खिचड़ी फिर दोबारा खाने को नहीं मिली. वैसी खिचड़ी, that type of खिचड़ी, फिर दोबारा, like, I दोबारा खाने को नहीं मिला. That means खाने को नहीं मिला means did not get to eat such kind of खिचड़ी which was prepared at that time. वाकई ढंग कैसा भी हो, पर है ये खुशियाँ का त्योहार. वाकई, but in fact, okay, in fact, ढंग कैसा भी हो. ढंग means the way or how it is celebrated. No matter how it is celebrated, पर है ये खुशियों का त्योहार. है ये means this is. खुशियों का त्योहार is, it's a festival of happiness. Okay, where you share your things and everything. So it's a festival of happiness. Like, no matter how different it is to celebrate, but this is actually a festival of. जनवरी माह के मध्य में भारत के लगभग सभी प्रांतों में फसलों से जुड़ा कोई न कोई त्योहार मनाया जाता है. जनवरी माह इस महीना के मध्य is in the middle. भारत is India. के लगभग is almost. सभी प्रांतों every state में फसलों से जुड़ा is related to, फसल is crops. कोई ना कोई something or the other, त्योहार is festival, मनाया जाता है, will be celebrated. So in the middle of January, like every state in India, almost every state will celebrate a festival related to harvest or the crops. कोई फसलों के तैयार हो जाने पर खुशी बांटता है, तो कुछ लोग इस उम्मीद में खुश होते हैं कि अब पाला कम होगा. सूरज की गर्मी बढ़ने से खेतों में खड़ी फसलों तेजी से बढ़ेगी. So कोई फसलों के तैयार हो जाने पर, कोई means some people, फसलों is crops, के तैयार is when it gets ready, हो जाने पर खुशी बांटता है. When the crops are ready to get harvested, they exchange, I mean they'll be happy, like खुशी बांटता है means they exchange happiness. तो कुछ लोग is few people, like few people and celebrate when when the crops are ready to be harvested, and few people इस उम्मीद में खुश होते हैं. उम्मीद is they wish, okay. इस उम्मीद mean this kind of wish में खुश होते हैं. They be happy कि अब पाला कम होगा. पाला is frost. कम होगा means will be less. और सूरज की गर्मी बढ़ने से, when the sun is shining brightly and when there is a lot of sunshine, खेतों में खड़ी फसल तेजी से बढ़ेगी. All the crops in the field will grow very well when there is sunshine, when there is summer. So what the writer is trying to say is, some people celebrate when they become happy when the crops are ready to be harvested, and few people will be happy thinking that or wishing that the frost will be less. That means the summer will be the month of summer will be gone, because when it's cold all the crops actually get destroyed. And the winter will be gone, and the summer comes, and all the crops, because of the sunshine, all the crops will grow very well. सभी प्रांतों और इलाकों का अपना रंग और अपना ढंग नजर आता है. सभी प्रांतों is the state और इलाकों is the cities or the districts का अपना रंग, they have their own colors, and the way of celebrating नजर आता है is the way of celebrating it. इस दिन सब लोग अच्छी पैदावार की उम्मीद और फसलों के घर में आने की खुशी का इजहार करते हैं. इस दिन this day सब लोग, all the people, अच्छी पैदावार, पैदावार is the harvest, की उम्मीद is the wish, okay, they expect, और फसलों के घर आने की खुशी का इजहार, इजहार means they show, करते हैं. So this day, like the day of harvesting, like people will be they are expecting all the crops to reach their house, and they, yeah, and they celebrate that, okay, and they express their happiness. Ishar means they express their happiness by seeing this. उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश में मकर संक्रांति या तिल संक्रांत. So in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh, they call it as Makar Sankranti or Til Sankrant. Til is sesame. Assam mein Bihu. So in Assam it is called as Bihu. Kerala mein Onam. In Kerala it's called as Onam. Tamil Nadu mein Pongal. Okay, in Tamil Nadu it's called as Pongal. Punjab mein Lohri. In Punjab it's called as Lohri. Jharkhand mein Sarhul. In Jharkhand is called as Sarhul. गुजरात में पतंग का पर्व, सभी खेती और फसलों से जुड़े त्योहार हैं. So Gujarat means called as Patang ka Parv. So all this is called as the festival of farming and something related to crops. इन्हें जनवरी से मध्य अप्रैल तक अलग अलग समय मनाया जाता है. So all this January से मध्य is in middle of January, or April, till April they will be celebrated in different times. Okay, अलग अलग समय means different times it will be celebrated.
I hope you liked the video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.